Hi everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Currently here right down the south of Thailand in Trang, and travelled overnight last night from Bangkok on the night sleeper, and arrived around about 10 o'clock this morning, which was probably about 15 minutes late. So booked into the hotel, which is only 70 metres from the front of the station, a place called AoThong. And if you're looking for somewhere to stay in this area, it might be an option that you'd like to consider. I've already been there, never stayed there before, very impressed with the service and the checking in, and my room small, windowless, but very clean and tidy, and with a nice little wine bar and bistro outside. So with that, I'll take you for a little walk, and I'll show you where the hotel is, and I'll show you what amenities it has to offer you. Hopefully tomorrow we're going to hire a scooter for 3 days, and we're going to travel between Trang, Pathalong, and maybe even get down to Krabi. So bear with me for the videos, and hope you enjoy the journey, and you're very welcome to join us for whatever we get involved in. So here we have Trang Station, and this is the train that I travelled upon last night. 1, 2, 3, 4 bogie coach cars, and the rest of the makeup is overnight sleeper. And surprisingly, all the sleepers were full last night, so it is a sign that COVID is coming to an end. Quite a cool wall painting there, adds a little bit of colour to the station. And this metal object here is a token and a message machine. When the locomotive passes this, he collects a token, which gives him permission to travel single line. It's also used for passing messages as well. Don't very often see them on the railways in England, but they're certainly in use here. The train's all been washed off and cleaned, and all the sleeper amenities have been changed, ready for tonight's journey. And I must say, it's a very, very comfortable ride. So we've come through past the ticket office in Trang Station, and what we have to do is turn right here and just walk along 70 metres to AoThong. And here just outside is one of the unusual taxis. I think they call it a frog face or something like that, because the headlights resemble that of a frog. I'm led to believe that only seen here in Trang, so that is something that you probably won't see elsewhere in Thailand. And there we are, Trang Railway Station. If you're passing to the islands and you want to get something very quick to eat, there's a KFC straight across the road from the front of the station. And if you want to rent a motorbike, there's a motorcycle rental just there on the left hand side where you see all the scooters parked up. A few little places outside here where you can get cold drinks and snacks, so if you're in a little bit of a hurry, it's not too much of a problem. And just before the hotel here on the right hand side, they have a nice little coffee bar. Get drinks and snacks here also. To the left here you've got Lee Mart Shopping Centre. Not a great big place, but nevertheless it will have most things that you probably want to purchase. This place very busy this morning when I first came. So this is where I'm staying, at Wine AoThong. I hope I've pronounced it right. I will write the address as a caption for you. And joined onto it. I don't know whether it's related or partly owned by the hotel, but there is Wine Corner or Wine Corner. Apologies. And apparently it gets very busy at night. Have quite a decent menu, and beers between 60 and 100 baht, which is very reasonable. And this opens from 17:30 till 11 o'clock, but I believe it carries on till midnight. We'll try it tonight and we'll see what happens. So here we have Wine AoThong. Nice looking building. I'll try and cross the road and give you a better view of the front. It's very easy to get to from the station. It's less than a minute walk. And very clean and well presented. So I'll take you across the road here and go into the hotel, and I'll show you what room I have. If you're interested, you can always find it on Agoda and other major booking sites. Plenty of places to sit and eat and drink in the evening. Looks very rustic. Nice reception area. And got some fantastic wooden ships up here, absolutely beautiful. Something different. There's some nice sculptures at the front here. Nice little feature at the front here, at the bottom of the stairs. All these things add colour to places. Sadly, no lift. You'll have to carry your cases upstairs yourself. And this is where I am, in 103, little corner room. I don't wish to travel up the stairs humping big bags, so I opted as an offer to take this one. So this is the little room that I have. There is no window, but that's something that doesn't really bother me. I'm only here to sleep for a few nights, and it has a television and a fridge, air conditioning, and just a dressing table where I've got my laptop set up, and big wardrobe, and a nice little bathroom and shower. So basically for the price, I think it was about 650 or 700 baht per night. I think it's a fantastic value. And if you're certainly travelling to the islands and you need somewhere to stay, it's so convenient to the tour companies and to the railway station, it might be a very, very good option for you. Later on tonight, when the corner bar opens, the Wine Corner I think they call it, never remember these places, I'll hopefully take you some video and just show you how busy that gets. And hopefully tomorrow we'll start travelling around Trang and start making some videos. So until the bar opens later on, I'll catch you later.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that